Summer vacations are the best time in a year for every student. It offers every student an opportunity to explore new stuff. It also offers a chance of taking a break from daily routine and shift a new hobbies such as gardening, painting, singing and dancing while having fun with friends. All of us spend summer vacations doing what we most love. Some people like to play at home simple, while others prefer stepping out to explore new things. Last summer, I visited my grandparents' home, which is located far away from the city's bustle. My cousins visited our grandparents too during their summer vacation. My grandmother prepared a lot of dishes and we relished every bite of the food. My grandfather loves gardening and we helped him planting new saplings and water the plants in the garden. We all used to sit together in the evening and listen to my grandparents' stories. Thereafter, we all used to go to terrace and play some games. At night, we gazed at the stars and moon and listened to some memorizing stories about the stars and moon narrated by my grandmother. I had a wonderful time spending some memorable time here. I always missed that great time. After 1 month, we come back home and started our daily routine.